हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन फॉर्म 2 ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म 2 ऑफ नॉन लीनियर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पीडी। इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ नॉन लीनियर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पीडी ऑफ फॉर्म 1 and this is the form 2. So what is the form 2? So well, actually this PD will be function of x, y, z, p, q equal to 0. First order PD means we'll having only p and q. Okay, and x and y are independent variable and z is the dependent variable. So in the form 2, your PD will have only p, q, z equal to 0. Your PD will have p, q, z equal to 0. So what we do for this type of PD, we have one transformation, that is your capital X equal to x plus ay. Capital X plus ay. So what is the p? P will be del z by del x. So this can be written as del z by del x and del x by dx. So what about the del x by dx? Differentiation of this with respect to x, 1, right? Yeah. So I can write here del x by del x equal to 1 and del x by del y equal to a. So I can, this is 1, so I can write del z by del x. And what is the q? Q equal to del z by del y, so I can write del z by del x and del x by del y. So this is a del x by del y equal to a, so a del z by del x. So if you see this p and q both we have converted in the single independent variable capital X. Then we can substitute this value of p, q and we can solve it. Okay, I'll take one example. I have here p square z plus q square equal to 4. So same transformation, I'll have capital X equal to x plus ay. Fine. So your p will be dz by dx. So dz by dx, dx by dx. So this is the 1, this is the 1. So we have dz by d capital X. And q equal to del z by del y. So del z by del x and del x by del y. So this is the a. So we can have a del z by del x. Fine. Now we can substitute this pq in the PD. So what we get? P square. P square means del z by del capital X square z plus q square. Q square means a square del z by del x square equal to 4. So if you see carefully, this is your OD, because here z is the function of only single variable x. So this is the OD form. So from the PD we have converted in the OD. Now what we can do? This is your del z by del x. We can take common. So it will be square. So we get a square plus z equal to 4. So your del z by del x, or we can write this one dz by dx also, because this is the z is the function of single variable capital X here. Okay, so this equal to 2 by under root a square plus z. So now we can integrate. So we get under root a square plus z dz equal to 2 dx. Fine. Now if I integrate, what we get? If I integrate means I get 2 by 3 and a square plus z 3 by 2 equal to 2 capital X plus b. What is the capital X? Capital X equal to x plus ay. So 2 by 3 and a square plus z 3 by 2 equal to 2 into capital X equal to x plus ay plus b. So this is your solution of given PD. So using this transformation, we try to convert the given PD in the form of OD, and then we have simplified. Okay. So the next problem I will take for this standard form 2. The next one will be Z equal to PQ. Z equal to PQ. Right. So what we can have? We can have capital X equal to x plus ay. So your P will be del Z by capital Z, and Q equal to del Z by capital X into A. So Z equal to del Z by del X into A into del Z by del X, which implies del Z by del X whole square equal to Z by A. Then we can have del Z by del X equal to under root Z by A. Fine. Now what we can do? We can simplify. So we can get dz by root z equal to dx by root a. So this will be your 2 root z equal to 1 upon root a x plus b. This is your capital X, right? So this is capital X. This is the capital X. Fine. So capital X, so 2 root z equal to capital X equal to x plus ay divided by root a plus b. So this is the solution of the PD. Fine. So using this transformation, we are converting this z is the function of x alone. Fine. Now I will take the third problem of this form. Third problem I have here. Q square u square equal to z square minus z px. Z square minus z px. So here you see this is not in the form of standard form 2, because standard form 2 need only p, q, z. So here x and y are extra. Here y and x is extra. So it's very simple. You see, this y can be managed with the q, and this x can be managed with the p, and z no need to worry. Z we can have in the form 2, right? So what we can have, y del z by del y whole square equal to z square minus z x into del z by del x. So we should not worry about the z, because z we can have in the standard form 2, only x and y. So for that, what I should do, I will put dy by y equal to dy1. So log y equal to y1. Same way we can have x. So dx by x equal to dx1. So log x equal to x1. Fine. So we can have now dz by dy1 square equal to z square minus z, and this is your dz by dx1, right? So now this equation in the form of p, q, z, standard form 2. We can have standard form 2. So what is the substitution for this? I can have capital X equal to x1 plus a y1. Okay. So your del z by del x1 equal to del z by dx1 and dx by dx1. So this is the one here. So we can have del z by del x, del z by del x1. Fine. Okay. And del z by del y1 will be a into del z by dx. Same transformation, that x equal to x1 plus y1. So here what we can write here? Now del z by del y1. So I can have a square del z by del x square equal to z square minus z and del z by capital. So if you see carefully, so this equation is the one quadratic form in del z by del x square plus z del z by del x minus z square equal to 0. So this is the quadratic form in z. So we can solve for del z by del x. See, so I can have here del z by dx equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, so 4a square z square upon 2a, so 2a square. So here z we can take common, so dz by dx equal to z I can take common, so this will be minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4a square divided by 2a square. So this is one constant, right? So I can have dz by dx equal to az. A is the capital A is this constant. Whole constant is I have taken capital A. Fine. So what we are getting finally? So finally we have del z by dx, capital dx, right? Capital dx equal to az. So this is your dz by z equal to a capital X. So log z equal to ax plus b. So what is the capital X? Capital X equal to log z. Capital X equal to a, capital X equal to x1 plus a y1 plus b. Now x1 and y1 is the log z equal to a, x1 is the log x plus a into log y plus b. So your final answer will be log z a equal to, I can write minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4a square by 2a square a and log x plus a log y plus b. So this is your solution. Fine. So we have seen either we can get in the standard form too, that PD will be your PQZ, or if your x square p square or yq or x square p square y square q square. So with this transformation we can reduce in standard form 3. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.